This is how the outer box of the blush looks like. It's very pleasant, very colorful with so many fruits made on it. So the K-Play range of My Glam uses actual fruit fragrances in their products, and this blush is in the shade 02 Juicy Strawberry. Actually smells like strawberry. And this is how the actual blush packaging looks like. Frankly speaking, it looks very classy. It totally justifies the amount you pay for it. You get 9 grams of product for 645 rupees. It feels very matte and moussey to touch at. Also, you get a very sturdy, decent size mirror. This is how the inner packaging looks like, and the design is very unique, like jalebi type kind of. Okay, let's move on to the demo now. I have applied this Pond's BB cream in the shade 01 Original, and I have applied lipstick from 9 to 5, like 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte in the shade Blushing Nude, and I have done little bit of eye makeup and the eyebrows. So let's start with the demo of the blush. Made everything pink, and I'm even wearing pink, maybe because the color of the blush is totally pure pink, so I have made it monochromatic. So let's see how the blush works on this makeup.
Keep in mind that the blush is very pigmented, so you don't apply a lot in one go. You can slowly build up the color. So yeah, I'll apply it from here to here, like from nose to here. Here itself, I won't leave it here. I'll take it from here to here. I hope you guys can see. I have not applied any compact or any loose powder to set the BB cream. I'm directly applying this blush because I already have very dry skin, so I don't want to make it more powdery. So I hope you guys can see. It's giving a very nice pink color on the cheeks. Just trying to build a color. And it's fine if you apply blushes a little bit more, because with time they just get faded away. Chin, look here on the forehead, little bit. Should I build up a little bit more? I don't think so.
So you guys must have seen the demo of this blush. It's a beautiful subtle pink color. You guys can see on the face. It's not too much. It's not even that pigmented, nor it's very faint that you have to apply like 10 to 15 times. It's really in between. It's not that pigmented nor that faint, and it's a very nice blush for, I think, very fair to medium skin tones. I'm not sure about dusky to deep skin tones. I don't think so dusky to deep skin tones can use this shade. It's a very nice blush overall. I have used it for around 4-5 times now. It's a recent purchase of me, and I'm really liking the blush. Usually I use cream blushes on me because I have very dry skin, but I'm liking this blush. It's not drying on the face, and you can directly use this on your moisturizer and sunscreen. I have used it just after applying my moisturizer and sunscreen. I have applied this blush, and it really gives you a very beautiful sun-kissed cheeks. It gives you that sun-kissed look. So liking this blush. Actually, I wanted to buy the other variant in the shade, I think, Frozen Raspberry, but it was out of stock, so I decided to grab this one. Again, before making this video, I tried to order that blush, but still it is out of stock, so I decided to make video of just this strawberry blush. So overall, it's a very beautiful blush, and I'm really liking it, really enjoying it. And if you ask me, I can totally recommend this blush to you guys. It's just that it comes in a very big quantity. You get 9 grams of product for 645 rupees, and you get a shelf life of around 2.5 years, I guess. But it's fine. I guess you can never hit pan on this blush because the quantity is too much. But very beautiful blush. The texture, the pigmentation, the feel on the skin is really good. And also I forgot to mention that it smells like strawberries. Very faint smell of, very faint fragrance of strawberry you can feel, not overpowering. Also, the ingredient list of this product, I'm going to put an enlarged picture of it over somewhere around here in the screen, on the screen. And this kind of blush is available in 3 different shades, strawberry and frozen raspberry and I think peach something. So there are 3 shades available in this blush. So that's all I had to say about this blush. I'm sorry if I've missed out on anything. You can comment down below and ask me. I would definitely like to help you to know more about this product. So we have come to the end of this video. So if you kind of like this video and if you kind of like me, then you know what to do. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video on YouTube, you guys are notified. It's totally free for you guys, but it will give me a lot of motivation and help me grow this channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.